Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about how to uninstall Python in Windows completely. First of all, let's go to command prompt and check that Python is present on my system currently. Then I can go to the folder where currently I have Python installed. So it is under C and this is the folder currently Python is installed. So what I'll do is I'll go to control panel, click on uninstall a program, here search Python. Then I'm getting two things here. I'm getting Python 3.6.0 and then with that I'm getting Python launcher. So click on this, right click on this and then on install. So click on install. Yes. So uninstall is in progress right now. Now it is uninstall was successful. You can close this. Now it is gone from the list. Here click on this, right click and uninstall. Are you sure you want to uninstall Python launcher? Say yes. Say yes again. Now it is also uninstalled. After this you can close and go to the folder where you had installed everything. You can check this. I had installed in C drive and Python folder, so check here. So like a lot of files, a lot of folders were there. Now it is uninstalled and only three are left. So what you can do is completely delete this, delete this folder. So now it is deleted. Now you can go to the path, I can go here, go to properties of this PC, then advanced system settings, environment variables, click on path. Now nothing is there with Python, so it is completely uninstalled. So you can verify using your command prompt. Go to command prompt, just restart it because it was opened previously, so I'm restarting it. Now I'm typing Python, so it is not getting anything with Python. So it means Python is completely uninstalled from the system. So this is all about how to uninstall Python from Windows. Thank you.